Well, hello everybody. I'm Mitch, just an old guy in a drone, and this morning I took my Hawk 5, as you can see pictured above there, out to the club flying field, determined to be a little more brave with the thing and try to fly it more like a simulator and get over this tunnel vision that beginners get when flying a real drone with something to lose. So I flew 2 flights, and by FPV standards this is probably boring, but the second flight I decided, that's it, I'm gonna go up and have some fun, and I did. And if you stick around and watch it, that'd be great. And if you want to skip ahead to it, that'd be fine too. But another thing I was trying out this morning was the new Runcam 5 that I just got. And it's kind of the replacement for the GoPro Hero 5. And the first flight was kind of overcast out there. The sun was blocked. It was kind of gray. I had the camera set, the white balance set to sunny. Probably should have been set to cloudy. The second flight looks a lot better when the sun came out. So at any rate, the first flight is just flying around trying to get a feel for this Hawk 5. It is a 5-inch drone, and it's pretty powerful, pretty fast, and although they say it's for beginners, I don't think it's for beginners. Probably it's okay for me at my level right now. Enjoy the flight, and the second flight, when it comes, I promise you, will be a little more exciting. Not as exciting as most FPV flights where they fly through parking garages and trees and things, but more exciting than this. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. I discovered a couple of things about the Hawk 5. I'd put a GPS on it, and as you notice, the GPS signal, you can see it flashing there in the on-screen display, came and went, so I guess the antenna's not mounted in the best of places, so I have to address that. Also, I think I need to increase the camera angle on the FPV camera to match the camera angle on the Runcam. Other than that, I'm getting used to it, getting more confident with it, and I think all I need to do is keep flying and flying and lower and flying lower, and I'll get it.
That's it, I'm through.